has basically only things that, I mean, you know, I'm gonna just keep it as tight as possible. So things that just you don't need, like if it's not accelerating my way to get home within that 24-hour period, you know, then I mean, I really just don't even need it. So, and that's the gamble that I'm willing to take. I mean, you know, people could sit there and be like, oh, but you don't know really what's going to happen. You think that 10-20 mile walk back to your house or whatever is going to be less than a day. I mean, yeah, it's just a gamble. You know, I would rather be able to move in those situations than be thinking and or maybe in my bag to death. Well, maybe this will happen. Well, maybe that will happen. What if this happens? I mean, yeah, anything's a possibility, but it is what it is. But anyways, yeah, 10-pound bag or less with the essentials to get home less than 24 hours. So, I mean, independent, you know, you kind of have to have some things that you what if. Like, at first I was like, you know, no sleep, no sleep system, you know. I mean, you know, you don't need like, I'm not going to fall asleep, but I mean, if I need a way to get out of the elements for a short period of time, then, you know, I mean, those things can kill me. And like medical, like there's not going to be any band-aids or, you know, whatever small stuff is tourniquets, Israeli bandages, gauzes, like something for a splint, if it's, I mean, just anything to splint something off, because those things would prohibit me from getting to work from, it would prohibit me from getting to point B, you know, like a Band-Aid size cut is not going to prohibit me from getting to point B. So you know, it's not going to be like, I'm not going to have a propane stove system. So, but anyways, yeah, you'll just have to see it. But that's kind of what I'm going down. And if, like, cause I'm just not going to get over not having this bag in the car. So I might put the other one in the truck box and keep this one in the car, because if you're with a group of people or whatever, I mean, being like, hey, carry this 10-pound bag with, oh Jesus, oh, freaking, thought it was a spider in a spider web. But yeah, if you're with a group of people and somebody else can carry supplies with them to save a life, then yes. So in that case, I would be carrying my normal bag, and the other person would be carrying a 10-pound bag. So yeah, I think I've got a good idea. I've got my bag picked out because the bag that I'm using, I've had for a while. It used to be one of my bags, but I had it really decked out. Stuff hanging off the outside, tied down with paracord. But yeah, it's a good small bag. Got a sternum strap and a waist strap, which is good for running or jogging, whatever. So once you start getting that bag swaying back and forth, it's nice to have that waist strap to hold it in a little bit better. So it's one thing that I don't like about my bag that I have with me now is it doesn't have a waist strap. You know, I'm not going to be running in this bag, and if it is, it's going to be a very short period of time. But it also helps eliminate some of that weight and pressure off your shoulders. So oh yeah, beautiful day. Hope the video footage turns out good, because it is a beautiful day. We're almost at the top. We're coming up on it. Hey guys. So this took me a little bit longer than normal. I guess I was talking the whole time. If you're really getting it, I mean, your heart rate is so high that you are not talking. I mean, my friend, I mean, he was in decent shape. You know, he wasn't just out of shape. Like, we had been doing the mountain with the bag for a while, and I mean, he would, I remember one day he got his heart rate up in the 190s and made it to the top, but almost passed out. But anyways, here we are at the top. I'll go around this corner and show y'all what's up there. Yeah, 22 minutes. Man, 1 mile. All right. Just a little bit at the top. There it is, guys. It's good. It's a beautiful sight. So, yeah, like I said, the trees have grown up a little bit. So, yeah, there's the city part.